हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आज ये मैं जो आपको दिखाने के लिए जा रहा हूँ, मेरी पूरी ज़िंदगी मतलब बचपन से, क्योंकि मैं फ़ॉरेन में पला बड़ा हूँ, तो ये मैं हमेशा आपको हर वीडियो में बताता भी हूँ। मेरी एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ज़्यादा है गाड़ियों को लेकर। आज जो आप देखने जा रहे हैं, दिस कार इज़ द ओरिजिनल वॉल्वो एंड बहुत लिमिटेड है यार। एंड आई विल गेट द पर्सन जिसका ये शोरूम भी है एंड जिसकी ये गाड़ी भी है। बट इस वीडियो को शुरू करने से पहले आज मैं एक चीज़ बताना चाहूँगा। दिस इज़ नॉट अ पेड प्रमोशन। आपको पता ही है कि बहुत जल्द दिसंबर में कुछ बड़ा होने वाला है, और क्योंकि मैं बहुत पैशनेट हूँ गाड़ियों को लेकर, दिस इज़ वन थिंग दैट व्हेन वी फाइंड समथिंग यूनिक लाइक दिस, ये हमें याद दिलाता है कि वाई दीज काइंड ऑफ ब्रांड्स जैसे वॉल्वो जैसा ब्रांड, और आज हम उसको किसी भी और ब्रांड के साथ कंपेयर नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि कोई कंपैरिजन दूर दूर तक नहीं है, राइट? एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाई पीपल ऑन यूट्यूब आर कंटिन्यूसली comparing one brand against the other, unless see you can compare brands, लेकिन उस ब्रांड्स को कंपेयर करने के लिए आपको दो किस्म की कैटेगरीज को याद रखना पड़ेगा। एक होती है लग्जरी कैटेगरी जो कि वॉल्वो है, और एक होती है जो आपके एवरीडे जो कस्टमर्स हैं वो गाड़ियाँ खरीदते हैं, जैसे आपके जो नॉर्मल ब्रांड्स हैं जो आपको वॉल्यूम पे बेचते हैं। बट व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट लग्जरी ब्रांड, स्पेशली वॉल्वो एंड देयर आर अदर लग्जरी ब्रांड्स एज वेल, ये लोग बिल्ड टू स्पेसिफिकेशन करते हैं और इनकी गाड़ियाँ बहुत यूनिक होती है और यूज़र बेस्ड होती है, राइट? इसलिए हम नहीं कंपेयर कर सकते एक ब्रांड को दूसरे के साथ। बट ये आपके लिए एक थोड़ी सी इंफॉर्मेशन है, मेरा फर्ज बनता था कि आपके साथ ये शेयर करूं। हाउएवर नाउ मैं इनवाइट करने जा रहा हूँ विदित को, राइट? एंड विदित इज अ कार एंथुसियास्ट जस्ट लाइक मी। Hi Vidit.
Very warm welcome to the Lucknow and very warm welcome to our showroom.
Yeah,
Thank you so much for coming.
You know, एक लखनऊ की warm welcoming और वो तहजीब, it never gets lost on you. Never.
Absolutely. Lucknow still has its old school charm, and then having said that, at the same time, you know, like we've got all these modern showrooms and modern infrastructure that Lucknow today has.
It's like the combination of both, the old and the new. And it's you know, लखनऊ में एक चीज़ मैंने देखी है कि ग्रेजुअली जब आप दूसरे शहरों में जाते हो, सो यू सी ओल्ड हेरिटेज गेट्स लॉस्ट।
Absolutely.
लेकिन लखनऊ एक ऐसा शहर है जिसमें ओल्ड हेरिटेज आज भी एग्जिस्टेंट है, एंड इट्स वेरी वेल
kind of blends together.
It blends
and
together.
exists side by side.
एंड हाँ, वो साइड बाय साइड जाती है।
बिल्कुल।
अच्छा, कमिंग टू द ओल्ड
Sure.
हेरिटेज,
Yeah.
दिस यार, टेल मी अबाउट दिस कार, हाउ डिड यू गेट दिस कार, बिकॉज दिस इज यूनिक।
So I think 2017 में हम लोगों ने ये डीलरशिप चालू की थी, and in 2017 there was an auction, 2017 or 18 there was an auction in Delhi,
Right.
and this car was in the auction.
Okay.
So I was invited for that auction, and I only had my eyes on this, although
Right.
there were a lot of many cars, you know, in that auction, which were really prized possessions. But I, being a Volvo dealer, being a passionate enthusiast of vintage cars, we also have like another 3 to 4
dealerships.
fully functional vintage cars.
Vintage cars.
Dealerships,
Oh,
of course.
Dealership.
So we do have other
Vintage
brand
cars.
vintage cars as well. But being a Volvo dealership owner and being a vintage car enthusiast, I really wanted this car. So I mean, I really fought hard at that auction. I got this car, and you know, the reason why I was so attracted, not only just because it's a Volvo, this is an original, you know, machine.
Exactly.
The restoration on this car hasn't been done. अगर
Nothing, जो जैसा है वैसे
वैसे ही है, और अगर ये पेंट जॉब भी आप देखेंगे तो वॉल्वो में भी उनकी, जैसे म्यूजियम में अभी होके आया था स्वीडन कुछ महीनों पहले, तो वहाँ पे भी जितने भी पोस्टर्स हैं या इस गाड़ी के जितने भी मिनिएचर कार्ड्स हैं वो भी इस लाइम ग्रीन कलर में है।
Yeah, and this is something that was very unique to Volvo.
Absolutely.
I think Volvo थी और एक और कंपनी
Yeah.
थी that did this specific color.
Absolutely.
And you know, one thing I want to talk about with it, this is, you know, what you have here is a piece of history.
Absolutely.
This is what Volvo really was.
Absolutely.
Starting off in Sweden, right?
Yes.
I think गिनती में शायद ये गाड़ियाँ बहुत, you can actually count on your fingers.
Yeah.
They are existent in the
So in the world, yes, Amazons are a little more prominent.
Yeah.
Like just as Volvo Sweden Museum, if you go, then you'll see a bunch of Amazons.
Correct.
In the US, yes.
Yeah.
So this is one of those cars which made Volvo a successful and very globally renowned brand, especially in the
It put them
United
on a map.
States.
It put them on a
really
map.
put them on the map. The main selling point of this car back in the day was the reliability and the safety.
The
component.
safety.
And if you see today also, and when we go towards the interior of this car,
Yeah.
it still has the original seat belts from
Right.
1959.
Right.
And that's when Volvo started putting seat belts in their cars.
In the cars.
And
Exactly.
this model was also launched in 1959.
Right.
And that was a technology that Volvo, even though it patented and trademarked, has given to the world free of cost without charging anyone for seatbelt.
So it is safe to say this is a time machine.
This is a time machine.
It's
absolutely,
taking
yes.
us back to
Yeah.
the 1959
Yeah,
when even a seatbelt was a luxury,
absolutely.
right?
Yes.
And how they introduced it, and after that everyone followed through with it.
So, in fact, like another interesting story, I'll take another minute of yours for
Please,
this.
please,
So,
please.
is
It's all
that
yours.
you know when Volvo launched seat belts,
Yeah.
everyone, all the other auto manufacturers said that nobody is going to wear seat belts. This is a useless feature. It's an additional cost, and it's also a burden on the customer because
Yeah.
you're inconveniencing and incomforting the customer.
Right.
Within a span of time, the 3-point safety belt has become right now also
Standard.
in today the most important and standard
Accessory of a
accessories
car,
of a car. You need to have a seat safety belt.
Absolutely.
And this is the technology that Volvo has given globally, and I think they are really proud of that. And of course, even till today, they are pioneering. I feel in all the other safety aspects also.
Of course, they're leading
Yes.
from the front, and
Yes.
Volvo has always done that. They have led from the front
Yeah.
and set a standard and let
Absolutely.
everyone follow that standard across.
Yeah.
But in having said that, they have built their own kind of a niche
Absolutely.
or their own kind of a
Yeah.
place
Yeah.
in the hearts of people.
Yeah.
Especially जिनको Volvo से मतलब देखो I know that in India जैसे हम
Absolutely.
ऑफ कैमरा में बात कर रहे थे कि इंडिया में Volvo को एक प्रीमियम और लग्जरी कार देखा जाता है, right?
Absolutely.
But I grew up in a country or in two countries
Yeah.
जहाँ पे Volvo has kind of like it's part of everyday life. So people
Absolutely.
in the foreign country जब वो जाते हैं ना गाड़ियाँ लेने के लिए
Yes.
forefront में ये होता है
Yes.
safety.
So, in my personal opinion, also only because I'm like also a Volvo user, and
Yeah.
then of course you've got Amazon. Not just from a dealership point of view, just in a casual way. I think it's the quintessential luxury family car.
It is.
So
it is.
what you
it
feel is that apart from having like really like high-end tech,
Yeah.
apart from having the best of the best,
best of the best,
safety
and you get the
features,
safety. Yeah.
but at the same time, everything in the cars back in the day and the new cars also I feel are
They're
designed
fresh. They're very fresh.
designed also just looking at just the customer and the people in mind.
मतलब it's safe to say
Yeah.
कि एक बार वो गाड़ी गुजरी, you are going to bound to turn your head and
of
look at it
course,
again.
They're attractive as well. So
Very very attractive. अच्छा, coming back to this one, और बाकी भी गाड़ियाँ हैं हम आपको दिखाएंगे.
Sure,
But
sure.
you know why this interests me is because honestly with it, I think you were telling me a story also
Yeah.
off camera. In Sweden when you were showing this photograph of this car.
Yes.
To somebody there in Volvo,
Yeah.
and they were not able to believe that it is here and in a remote area. Because for outside world, if you talk to outsiders, they always say, Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore,
Yeah.
Zyada Hyderabad might come to their head, right?
Yeah.
But they rarely will say, okay, Lucknow, where is that, right?
Yeah.
And again, to be very honest, like I said to you, I've passed through this highway so many
Sure,
times,
sure.
right? And I never ever glanced and even
Sure.
चलो अब मुझे पता चला Volvo, but when I
Absolutely.
walked in here and I remember the person at the reception,
Sure.
I just almost like, oh my god, this is
Yeah.
this, because देखिए any car enthusiast आपको ये बता देगा कि cars were this.
Yeah.
आज अगर हम वो लग्जरी प्रीमियमनेस वगैरह ढूंढते हैं, but the 1969 Shelby Mustang,
Absolutely. Like,
this
the kind of metal and
this is pure hardcore metal. We'll just come back to this, and with it I want you to let's open up the hood first.
Sure.
And see how much of the originality or the essence of the
Absolutely.
old heritage is still there, right?
Absolutely.
Interesting, back in those days, right?
1959 also, but they were thinking of safety and
Safety
things
and
like that,
कि आपको hold नहीं करना पड़ा.
and it doesn't come in your hand.
Exactly, everything.
Get
And
it, yeah.
I mean, talk about engineering at its best.
Absolutely.
Look at that part. जैसे वो part को भी कैसे उन लोगों ने exactly the brackets have
It's a crisscross so that it
Criss-
doesn't. It's
exactly.
got its own fail-safe.
fail safe also,
Yeah.
and that's just amazing. अच्छा, एक चीज मैं और Vidit, we were also talking
Sure.
off the camera, the original Bosch. अब most people don't know, but अगर इरफान थोड़ा पास में आएगा, Bosch was the original company that used to make a lot of these components
Absolutely.
for car manufacturers,
Absolutely.
right? And you will see here original, मतलब look at this, Vidit ने कुछ भी नहीं किया है. He's kept everything to the original
Right.
DNA,
Absolutely.
right? इसमें एक भी part बाहर से नहीं लगवाएगा.
Absolutely.
So now we are in the Volvo,
Sure.
right? Amazon, right?
Amazon.
अच्छा, Amazon with an S है, not with a Z.
So like in different models they use different letters.
Yep.
So I think in America it was with an S,
S.
and in Europe it was with a Z.
With a Z, right?
Yes.
I think there was some kind of
That was-
copyright.
Yeah,
kind
it
of
was a copyright plus with the forest. I think like that was
And
a
that's
different
why.
meaning
Correct.
in Europe and a different meaning
Correct,
in the
correct.
US for that. So, yeah.
So now you can hear that the engine is on. We have just
Yeah.
turned the car on, है ना?
Yeah.
And even back then, अगर आप देखेंगे, we had like
Yeah, you have a comfortable seat, like,
Correct.
and then here is your
seat
safety belt in
Yeah,
this,
ये देखो.
so you can show it
This.
like your audience.
This is the
Yeah.
safety belt.
Yeah,
Look at that.
And it also says Volvo part number, and like it's all very original.
It's very original, and it's like it's like typical army
Yeah.
jeeps type
Yeah,
style.
yeah, absolutely.
And like look at this यार, you have kept it in complete mint condition. Even
Yeah.
then, इरफान ने आपके लिए कुछ randoms निकाले होंगे गाड़ी के जो आप अभी स्क्रीन पे देख रहे होंगे. Like look at the premiumness. Even then, look at this. It's
Yeah,
like
yeah.
the touch material was also
build
very
quality
soft.
is great. Like the practicality is really good. Like all your even in the dash, like your information, like your temp oil and
Yep.
you know like the fuel reading and all, like quite practical back in the day.
Oh, and you,
Oh, the
you
same.
fueled it up as well.
Yeah.
अच्छा, ये, this is
And
the
the like you know the number of kilometers is also not like too low. Like on
Correct,
this car, it's
correct.
76,000 kilometers.
That's it. That's what it's done.
Yeah.
Wow. अच्छा, and petrol, it's normal petrol.
Yeah, it's petrol. Normal
Okay.
petrol.
Any recommendation on petrol?
No.
Just
No,
kidding.
no.
All right. So we had some buttons here,
Yeah.
flack it, and then this was a cigarette
This is a
smoking.
cigarette lighter. Yeah.
Cigarette lighter there. Okay.
You
So
have a choke here.
choke here, right?
Yeah.
वहाँ पे choke आता है, right?
There's a choke here.
Yeah.
And then there's a V-torque.
We talk, right?
Yeah.
अच्छा, उस जमाने में भी torque था, power.
Like,
This
I
car
mean,
can run, I guess.
yeah, this car. So I've driven it personally, like at a comfortable 80 kilometers an hour,
And
and I
smooth.
felt that I could stretch it more, but then
Yeah,
you've gotta
थोड़ा
be
control
safe.
रहता है ना,
No,
because
you
it's
also you have to be safe about everyone else.
right,
on the
right.
road.
And look at the gear, yeah. This
Yeah.
this is also very innovative.
Right.
They've
Absolutely.
kept it out of the way, you know. And the handbrake would be there,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So this is awesome. This is a ashtray,
Ashtray.
and the Volvo badging, and you have here
Like another
your-
glove box of
Yeah.
sorts, so you can see like.
यहाँ पे नीचे
Yeah,
पे,
like
yeah,
for us
right.
now we are of course putting like tissue.
हाँ, और वो बंद होता है.
sanitizers
Correct.
for COVID, but
This is just
overall,
amazing, and even the grip here, they've given a grip,
Yeah.
मतलब to hold on to.
Yeah.
This is just amazing, yeah. This is just amazing.
Yeah.
All right. Now let's get into the back seat of the car. Right. So now we're in the back of the car and look at the spacing यार. पीछे भी अगर इरफान यहाँ से आके आपको दिखा देगा, यहाँ पे यार back seat में भी कितनी अच्छी space है.
Yeah.
You know, thigh support and everything.
This came in two models.
Yeah.
One was the station wagon,
Yeah.
and one was the saloon. So of course, like being a Volvo, you have to have like the station wagon.
Correct.
Because like
My father had one.
yeah, that's you know.
I think
those-
pretty much everyone.
I feel that they're the most practical cars
They are.
in the
They
world.
have
like
always
station
been.
wagons are.
They always have.
Because you get the ingress of a sedan, but at the same time, you know, you are getting the space of an SUV.
Correct.
So
अच्छा, interesting enough. इसका wheel size. What is the wheel size on this?
I think these must be what 15 inches if I'm not
Yeah,
mistaken.
it's 90-15. Yeah, that's right.
These must be 15 inches.
Not bad, yeah. Even
Steel
for
wheels.
those. Steel
Again,
wheels.
traditional with the
And this
Volvo
is
cap.
this is original. Yeah, you will never find it anywhere. This is
Yeah.
just specific to
Mud
this.
flaps are also original Volvo.
हाँ, ये भी इरफान ने cover
Now
किया था.
it's a part of our accessories.
Yeah.
These are original Volvo.
ये ऐसी आती थी. This is
Yes,
this
absolutely.
what you see here. इसका और कोई variant ही नहीं था.
Right.
This was what it is. You get this,
Absolutely.
right?
Yeah, and then, yeah.
Yeah. So let's open up the boot space here. अच्छा, petrol is here, right
Yeah.
here. So अगर इरफान यहाँ पे आके दिखाएगा, पेट्रोल की इसकी टैंक पीछे हुआ करती थी.
Right.
Even back then, they were very, very sensible when they actually designed the car for
Right.
safety purposes, so
Yeah.
that the fuel tank doesn't get that much of hit. And you can feel the bloody metal. It's
So, I
everywhere.
mean,
it's
of course, the
metal.
boot and all has rusted over time.
Hmm.
But then again, we've got the original jack spanner and
Yeah.
the steel wheel is the same.
Of course, yeah. Come on, it's
Yeah.
it's 1959. We are actually
So actually, I can restore this
yeah.
to
but you-
look pristine,
yeah.
but
No point.
I somehow feel that
Let
this
go
is
of the
the car
heritage.
from the showroom,
Yeah.
and from the showroom till this date, this is the degradation on the car, which according to me is very minimal for a car which is now what, like more than 50 years,
It is
60 years
about,
old.
yeah, about
So,
60 years.
yeah.
I mean, you and I both, if we
Yeah,
combine,
my father was born in like 1961.
There you
so
go, there you
this car
go.
is from pretty
like
much
it's a time
in that
capsule
era.
for us,
Yeah.
man. You know, and I pretty much grew up, and I'm sure you grew up because
Bilkul.
your father is a pretty much heritage car enthusiast,
Yeah,
right? All right. So ये थी आपकी vintage Volvo, and guys, if you're really interested in having a look at this car first hand by yourself, then come down to Lucknow, and Lucknow पे फैजाबाद रोड पे आपको Volvo को शोरूम मिल जाएगा, and you can come and have a look at this car.
Absolutely. Most welcome.
It's believe me, if you love your history, then this is a car that you can never ever overlook. And by the way, you will get used to seeing Vidit a little bit more on this channel. Reason: Vidit is an avid collector of vintage cars.
Sure.
Right?
My family together is so like all of
Right.
them have their own vintage cars, and
Your brother,
everyone likes-
father,
yeah, like so
everyone.
my dad predominantly, like he's very enthusiastic about restoring them. My uncle has a Packard. My dad he has an MG.
Yeah, yeah.
So,
Which
you
we
know.
were talking off the camera.
Yes, absolutely,
And
yeah.
I will, of course, we're going to extend our stay in Lucknow and cover more of it. Volvo's, the way they have actually really,
Right.
put out their models.
Right.
They've been very sensible about it, right?
Yeah.
They have targeted each and every generation and each and every age bracket,
Right.
depending on that, right? Long ago, I heard this saying,
Yeah.
right? And especially in a foreign country, it's a
Sure,
saying.
sure.
If you go with a Volvo and you're a teenager and you
Right.
learn to drive and you go with a Volvo, you will stay with a Volvo for the rest of your
Right,
life,
right.
right? So, in having said that, they have this peppier model, the XC40.
Yeah. So this is like the newest XC40. Like
Right.
this is the model year 23, in fact.
Right.
So I mean, it comes like with certain upgrades.
Right.
So again, for me, this is a car for like a person who likes driving.
Yep.
Like it's actually the ideal car for them. Like
Yep.
a few of my friends also own this car who are also in the same age group.
Yep. Yep.
So it's a very practical car for day-to-day city driving. But at the same time, you want to go to the hills, you want to go to the highway.
It's got all that.
It's got like
Punch,
the
everything.
punch. It's got the power. It's got the ground clearance, and also it's got all your pilot
Off-roading.
assist
Yeah.
and
Yeah, the ADAS,
features,
ADAS
yeah.
features.
So
of
it's
course.
we've got ADAS features, right? ADAS and safety pretty much remains similar, right from the XC40 all the way to the XC90. First CKD electric cars from a luxury car manufacturer.
Correct.
One of the first few, in fact. And I think it's a really good combination of like now the electric mobility, but at the same time practicality.
Correct.
Because again, like same thing about the XC40,
Yeah.
but like in the electric format.
And the electric.
And again, like I said, like 80% of our driving is in the city, so I think that this makes for a
More
great
sense.
case.
More sense. Actually, what's the range on it?
So the range on it is about 418 kilometers, from what I remember.
Impressive.
And and we pretty much tested the same as well when once the demo car was here.
Yeah.
So I mean, we were getting almost a similar range, sometimes more, sometimes less, depending on how hard you're pressing the
Right.
accelerator and how much regen you're
It
using.
depends upon how good of a driver and and how
yeah.
you're driving. You know.
So I think for me, like a few cool things about this car is that this is almost a 408 bhp car.
Wow.
It's a 0 to 100 in 4.7 seconds. So it's
That's
a really
impressive.
quick car. So it really appeals to me from that point of view.
Yeah.
But again, like there's also this one pedal drive which works fabulously on this car. Like
Wow.
versus any other EV I have tried personally. This car one pedal is ki, like even if you're in Lucknow traffic in the city, you can still not press the brake and still be able to stop the car.
Let
just
go
from
of the
accelerator, and you can modulate the accelerator to
And
increase or
it will
decrease.
wow, that's
And it works really like a
and
charm.
that's what Volvo does. They work
Right.
on making very consistent technology that makes sense in a
Absolutely,
practical
yeah.
life. That's why I always wondered why India did not have the T5s and the T models.
Yeah. So we did have the T4
Yeah.
in the XC40,
Yeah.
but now we have the B4 in the XC40 as well.
Correct. So I think they've built it according to what the Indian taste
Yes,
is.
and absolutely, like, and also it's a big step in going, like, let's say, like, manufacturers are moving from diesel, then half petrol, and then petrol, and then electric. Now, I think we can proudly say that, like, every car standing in the showroom is either like a fully electric vehicle or it's a mild hybrid.
It's a mile.
So, you know, like,
That's where I think the world is heading towards as well.
it is, and like we want to also like be quicker than everyone in that, and then also like we have to think about the environment. Several steps at this dealership have been taken, in fact, to become a green dealership. where we are producing less amount of waste. But having said that, like we've got solar and things like lights which are like touch
Which are,
sensitive.
yeah, so it's more like
Yeah.
you guys are trying to reduce your, or are in the
Carbon
midst
footprint.
of
Carbon footprint is definitely on our minds, and we'll at the dealership as well. Like stage wise, we are trying constantly to improve our percentage of achieving that.
One thing I'm not going to do today in this video is open up the cars, especially the
absolutely,
modern
yeah.
ones. I'll tell you why. Because yeah, you'll find plenty of videos about this. But the whole idea was इस वीडियो को बनाने का एक कारण मेरा मेन ये था आपको ये समझाने के लिए कि when it comes to luxury category of car, right? You cannot compare one of the other, right? Of course, you will see along the way we are going to visit other brands as well, and you will see each brand is offering something unique, something that is unique to their footprint or their stamp, you know.
Absolutely.
And you cannot.
Absolutely.
You know.
So I think you can compare in terms of what your budget is or
Yeah.
what suits you.
In the
But
lower
each-
category.
I think each brand has its own identity.
When you
So-
actually, my understanding has been, you know,
Yeah.
with it is that when we move up to you know, the luxury price point,
Absolutely.
there is no comparison. It's either one or the other, right?
Yeah, and it also what appeals to you.
Yes.
Like suddenly, like as a customer, I might be passionate about a few things, or I really might like
Correct.
the way the car looks. So I'll play whatever I want to.
Yeah,
Like and get that car. So you know,
Correct.
like today, like the identity of the car, identity of the brand is what matters, and for a person buying the car, it's what he identifies to the most.
Correct.
And of course, like factors like service and factors like the cost of maintenance, factors like what is the cost of the car do play an important role. But I think the way like probably the industry is moving is more that everyone is branching into
their own
Yeah,
specific interests
yeah.
and their niches, basically, right? I'm going to close this video now, but before I do close this video, एक चीज मैं आपको please कहूँगा, okay? This video by no stretch or by any idea is not a comparison video at all. This is to give you an idea of what Volvo is and where it, अगर इरफान दिखाएगा, where it started from and where it is all come to, right? I will say it outright with more confidence than ever. Volvo is the world's safest car. It has been from the very beginning. Having said that, आज की वीडियो के लिए बस इतना ही. Vidit हमें join करेगा again because I'm not going to let go of him.
most welcome.
And we are going to explore more because there's more automobile scene in Lucknow, and I'm surprised कि लखनऊ में इतना कुछ होने के बावजूद nobody ever paid the attention, and this is going to be the first ever for you guys to embark on a journey to actually discover where we started from. You know, cars are not, आज की generation अगर कहती है ना, cars, fast and furious and all that, look, that all had to come from somewhere, and when you look at the beginning, it becomes very interesting, right? जाने से पहले प्लीज सब्सक्राइब, लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट और वो घंटा भी दबा दीजिएगा, and we will see you in the next video. Until then, do take good care of yourself. Bye.